Hi, if you like this video, click the like button on the bottom. If you like what you see here and want to see more, click the subscribe button. If you want to be notified, click the little bell at the bottom as well and select all, notify all, and you'll be notified every time there's new content or premiere content. Hope you enjoy my video. Hello everyone, got another food review video here. Today's video, Domino's pizza, thin crust pepperoni with extra sauce. Well, it's cut in squares. I've asked them to cut it in like a regular pizza. Got a good amount of sauce. Good portion of pepperoni and cheese. Then crust crispy on the bottom. Topping cheese all the way to the end. Good looking sauce, cheese, melts in your mouth. There's several types of sauce that Domino's has. This is the robust inspired marinara sauce, or sauce, whatever it is. It's got good flavor. I don't normally get thin crust pizzas from Domino's. You can taste the pepperoni, it's really good. The cheese, plenty flavorful. Pepperonis, sometimes they're hit and miss. Sometimes it has a little spice, sometimes it don't. But this is actually pretty good. Here, another slice here. This one has a little bit more pepperoni on it. See the sauce and the cheese. Actually, it's a really good pizza. For a Domino's thin crust pepperoni pizza with extra sauce and extra cheese, I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5. I'm not going to take all points for them not following directions, but it happens. Alright, thanks a lot for watching.